Hi, it's Julien Barker here at Spinal Health Centre, and with Heather here, who does have a bit of a persistent rhomboid thing on the left there. Definitely comes up with shoulders, and we've just been talking about gastric upsets and kind of how they all kind of tie in together. Everything points to probably T5 or something going on there, possibly T3. I'll show you it was in Activator is the false hiatus hernia, which is always worth checking if somebody's been said, oh yeah, guts have been a bit odd. Okay, up, jump, let's go. Points to Heather's shiny shoes. Somebody says to me, what's the perfect outfit? There you go. This is the perfect outfit. Well done.
For adjustments, you mean?
For adjustments, that's what I mean, yeah. I mean, other perfect outfits for different occasions. This is not the perfect outfit for scuba diving, for say, or going to a ball. There we go. But there, thanks for the clarification there, Laura. That was vital. PDs normally?
Right.
Yep. Nope. Turn your head all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Head back into the centre. Oh, you are so clearly left PD. I mean, like quarter of an inch, like clear. And on a 1. So yeah, okay, right. So, well, this might be exciting because if you see that, somebody's always one way and then they switch. Watch for them switching as they go through, and then always the rule is if they switch, you switch. So if they switch their PD after an adjustment, often it can be a pelvic one. I think we're pretty strong on. Okay. So we've got what looks like a right AS ilium, although I suspect it's actually a bilateral AS ilium. For those of you wondering if can that be a thing? Yes, that definitely can be a thing. So I'm just going to go straight for the bilateral AS ilium. Sacrum, clear crest, just up from the ischial tuberosity, and yeah, so it looks pretty darn level. So it's either level or actually Heather switch. Now you need to do a little bit of detective work to work out if she has. So left hand up behind your back. I'll stick with it being left until I find something. Swap your hands around, and then we can kind of work it back and work out from there what it is. Both hands up behind your back. Absolutely nothing there. Both back down by side. Take your left hand up by your face. Okay, so very clear T12 there. Arm back down by side. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1. That's T12. So if she's still left PD and I go on T12 on the left, we should come up level. If she switched, it's because it's actually T11. Okay, still not sure. See if you can push it back into subluxation, and there we go. Okay, so you did switch. That T11, T12 thing, you need to know which way around it is, but you can work it back and figure it out. Hopefully that made sense. When you're feeling thoracics, 1 feels like a blade, 12 feels like a point, and if you're a bit higher up, 9 and 10 feel like 2 peas in a pod really close together. And that way you can work it out. Okay, so let's just try that again. Left hand up by your face, which we now think is T11, but is now clear. Good. Right hand up as well. So from here on in, I'll run it now as a right PD, both back down by sides. Turn your head to the right. Lift the right shoulder off the couch and back down. Left hand up above your head, which is the T5 test. Arm down by side and back into the centre. So T5 on the right, so it's the rib bit that you are feeling. 3, 4. Yeah, on it there. So for me it feels the kind of restricted, knotty, tight, not right feel. You just kind of get a feel for it. For Heather it's just like, ow, yeah, that's the bit. It doesn't necessarily feel like a knot all the time, but it's just there. And, well, you just kind of get a feel for it. So let's try that again. Turn the head to the right. Take your left hand up above your head. Big deep breath in, and then breathe all the way out. Worth checking the ribs, and also while we're at it, we just double check for sets. Now that's good. Right hand up as well. Left hand back down. Arm back down, one side, head back into the centre. So I'm picking up a little bit of a superior T3. So again, it's gonna be tender. My guess would be that one. Could be that one. Number 1, what do you reckon? Number 1, number 2?
That one.
That one. If they're any pretty subtle, be nice. Did that on setting 2. Head to the right, right hand up above your head. I like to go back and check. You don't have to if you think you've got it, but arm back down by side. Squeeze the right elbow against your side and let go. Squeeze the left one in and let go. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Squeeze the left elbow in and just hold it. Okay, and let go. Head back into the centre. Lift up your head, back down. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Push face into the couch and let go. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears, back down. Okay, let's spot a C7 on the right on the way through there. Okay, so no obvious medial scapula, so the one to check is the global medial scapula. Left hand up behind your back, push the elbow outwards, push hard, and let go. And yeah, I could actually see that the right leg had gone long, and so yeah, very clear. You don't have to lift to position 2 for that one, but I'm doing it so you can see on the camera it's nice and clear. Okay, global medial scapula. On the top angle, you're feeling down the attachments of the rhomboids there. And, trying to get as lateral as possible now for the curve there, so it might look a bit straight on there, but it's not. Okay, just push both knees down into the couch and let go. I always like to just check psoas before I adjust anything gastric. Is there anything else I should be thinking about?
No.
Okay, let's turn you over and do the gastric one then. So say in the Activator textbook it's referred to as the false hiatus hernia. I think it comes up with GERDs, I think it comes up with ulcers, and personally I think it all to do with the celiac plexus and the gut brain. Okay. You can go fairly high on this one. I'll go setting 3. You want to come just south of the inferior of the xiphoid. Then it's down 2 inches, then down 2 inches and out 1, down 2 inches and out 1. Okay, and often it will settle, if there's an upset stomach, it will settle it really, really quickly because it just takes the heat out of that activity there. Good.